Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. I'm here today to show you a Starcraft Aruba. It's got a single slide. It has an electric jack on the front. Your propane tanks are located under that dome. It also has an awning up top. The outside of the awning cover is frayed, but when you open it up, the top part is still good. We did price that awning, and the material, there's one on eBay for $229, just to give you an idea. The tires on this have just been replaced. They got new tires at Discount Tires, and they're load rated tires. But going around the side of the RV, it's a little bit faded from being out in the sun, but there's no damage. It does have a spare tire on the back, and Starcraft makes a decent RV. It is a smooth side RV. It's got an outside light, and they call this the Aruba model. It comes with aluminum alloy wheels as well. Let's take a look inside. This is a model 27 SKS, if you wanted to look that up. The interior has a laminate wood floor, and the colors are light. This little couch is a jackknife. It folds out into a bed, as well as the dinette area. It'll fold out into a bed for small people. I've got the air conditioner on right now. It's blowing nice and cool. It's got a microwave, a 3-burner gas stove, an oven. Got your pantry right here, refrigerator and freezer. That's your fuse panel box location. The heating is ducted through the floors. This one duct is missing a couple of its teeth. Kind of look around the RV. See the valance here for the shades? This one is missing, and I found it inside the closet. So it probably just needs some brackets. It needs to be reattached. And this is the sleeping area. It's got a closet here on the side to hang your clothes. It's pretty deep. And overhead storage. And ducted AC coming in right here as well. So you can kind of get a good look of the RV. This is a good RV for the money. It does have a little stereo right here with a CD player. Guess I can turn it on. I don't know how to set the stations. We had a guy here cleaning it up, and I believe he had it on a little Hispanic station. But here's the cabinets. Here's your controls here in the back, your thermostat for the AC and for the heat. This tells you the condition of your battery, your fresh water, your gray water, and your black water. This is a slide out button for the super slide. The hot water heater controls. The bathroom door is missing a doorknob, so you may have to go to Home Depot and get a doorknob if you'd like to have one. Here's the bathroom area, the shower. It's got a little skylight overhead. Got some nice cabinet space back here, and a really large closet. And that's that valance I was talking about that goes over the mini blinds. You can see back in there, it's pretty good size. Got a little medicine cabinet here. Laminate wood floors. The carpets have a few spots on them here and there. You can kind of see some stains. There's a little wear and tear right here on the edge of this counter, and you can see back here the carpet, you know, could stand to be cleaned a little bit. It's certainly not perfect, but it needs a good detail. But if you're looking for a budget RV with a slide, this will make you a good one. There's your light switch. If you got any questions, give us a call. We're Texas Best Used Motorcycles right here in Mansfield, Texas. I'm going to turn the AC off. There's the AC unit. We'd love to sell you this RV. But thanks for looking. We thank you for your time. If you got any questions, give us a call and come check it out. Have a great day.